COHR, stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Coherent stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. And having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years of seeing what's working for me and what's not, especially now with COHR, I'll just tell you one certain thing is that after a big correction like that, immediately buying, it's not something that's worked for me. And again, this is just me. Please do your due diligence. But the only thing that I will look to further do from here is buy this market if it goes down and grabs the liquidity, right? And most of the time, this is what happens. That's why I will just wait a little bit more, because these big gaps do know how to, they have a lot of fake outs, you know? And well, how do I know this? Well, maybe because I've done 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, by the way. It's all on my YouTube channel. So I do have a lot of data collected. And that's where we currently are. Again, I have no ill intentions towards it. It's just that I'm just waiting a bit more, waiting for that second step. And if you want to get free sauce and emails and all that good stuff, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.